We are at 10800 East Bethany. I really like the design this building has. All the woodwork. Here we have some neat Continental elevators. Here they are. Command Center. This is at Command Center. I like these elevators. These are really nice. There's an HID reader, but it's turned off. Whoa, look how tall the ceiling is. That goes up way higher. That's weird. These are undoubtedly relay controlled. Let's hear that bell again quick. Or not. Okay. Max security. I guess this one's coming up to get us. So we'll wait. Here it is. This one is much less tall on the inside. I love these old relay controlled Continentals. These are always nice. Here it is. Three-door little too. Wow, these are definitely tri-powered. Yeah, that's it.